What if I told you that I asked ChatGPT to start a business from scratch? No money, no experience, just AI tools and a dream. Well, I did. And in less than a week, I made my first £100. Here's exactly what happened and how you can copy it. It's 2025, the age of AI, automation, and endless opportunities to launch a side hustle without touching your wallet. So I set myself a challenge. Could I use ChatGPT to start a real business with £0? No capital, no investors, just time, free tools, and one chatbot that's taking over the world. In this video, you'll see the full play-by-play, the AI business idea I used, the tools that made it possible, how I got my first client without spending a dime, and how you can do the same today. Let's go. Step 1. Asking ChatGPT to build a business from £0. I started with a simple prompt. ChatGPT, give me a business idea I can start with no money, no experience, and get paid fast. It delivered gold. Idea: social content repurposing service. Basically, I'd help content creators turn their YouTube videos, blog posts, and podcasts into snackable content for TikTok, Reels, and Instagram. It was scalable, in demand, and best of all, cost me nothing. This is what I call an AI-powered service business. Perfect for 2025. Step 2. Setting up my digital office. Free tools only. Now that I had the idea, it was time to look legit. No website? No problem. I used Notion to build a clean, shareable landing page. Calendly to let people book intro calls. A Gmail account to handle everything. Notion is free to use, beautifully minimal, and lets you build mini websites in minutes. Perfect for showcasing services or building client hubs. This gave me the look of a pro without dropping a single pound. Step 3. Finding clients. Cold outreach with AI help. Here's where most people get stuck. Finding clients. So I went back to ChatGPT and said, write me a cold DM to pitch my repurposing service to YouTubers. It delivered a simple, friendly message I could tweak and send. Then I used Apollo.io to grab verified email addresses and contact info from creators and entrepreneurs. Apollo.io is a powerful lead generation tool with a free tier. Lets you find and email decision makers across social platforms. I messaged 25 creators on Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. 5 responded. 2 asked for a free trial. 1 converted to a paying client within 72 hours. That's the power of outbound prospecting plus AI automation. Step 4. Delivering the work with AI tools. No experience needed. I'm not a designer. I'm not a video editor. But AI makes that irrelevant. For this client, I repurposed a 10-minute podcast into 5 quote graphics using Canva Pro. 3 short-form videos using CapCut plus ChatGPT for captions. A full week of social posts. Canva Pro has drag-and-drop templates, social media auto-resizing, premium stock photos. This thing does half the work for you. Honestly, the results looked like they came from a full-on media agency. The client paid me £100 for the package. And just like that, from 0 to £100 in under a week. Step 5. Scaling. From one client to a real business. Now that I had my first happy client, I asked ChatGPT, how do I scale this business? It suggested, turning that testimonial into a case study, automating outreach with templates, offering tiered packages, 100, 200, and 300 pounds, creating a Notion dashboard for each client. By the end of week 3, I had 3 clients. Income? £500 a month, and I hadn't spent a single penny to get there. That's when it hit me. AI isn't just a tool, it's your silent business partner. So can ChatGPT build you a business with £0? Yes, but only if you treat it like a co-founder, not a shortcut. The tools are free. The strategy is there. The only thing missing is you. In 2025, attention is money. And if you know how to package, pitch, and deliver value, you can go from broke to booked using nothing but your laptop. This isn't just a side hustle. It's your freedom vehicle, and AI is riding shotgun. If this video helped open your mind, hit that like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more step-by-step AI business breakdowns. And don't miss our next video. 10. AI tools making teen millionaires in 2025. You'll want to see what's working right now.